Alright everyone, welcome back to Fix Zone. Today we're diving into something super useful, how to watch UK Netflix on your iPhone. It's easier than you think, so let's get started. First things first, you're going to need a VPN on your iPhone. To get that, head over to the App Store. Okay, once you're in the App Store, search for a VPN of your choice. For this tutorial, we'll be using IPVanish VPN. Go ahead and type that in. It should be the top result. It'll look like this. Tap that Get button. Mine shows a cloud because I've downloaded it before. Once it's downloaded, hit Open. You'll land on this privacy screen. Hit Login at the bottom and enter your IPVanish login details. Don't have an account yet? Check the link in the description or the pinned comment. We've got a special discount for you. After logging in, you'll be back on the privacy screen. Pick an option, and you might see a tutorial pop up. We're going to skip it for now. Hit Finish to set up your device. Give it a sec, and you'll be asked to create a VPN configuration. Tap Allow, and then enter your iPhone passcode. Alright, that'll take you back to the app, and you're basically good to go. Now, let's connect to the UK. Tap Locations, at the bottom of the screen. Scroll through and find the United Kingdom. Select it, then tap Connect. Give it a few seconds, and boom! You're connected to a UK server. You can close out of the VPN app. Now, open up Netflix. Tap Sign in the top right corner and log in to your Netflix account. Once you've signed in and chosen your profile, you should be browsing the UK version of Netflix. And to prove it, look. It says Top 10 Programs in the UK today. Just pick a TV show, and you can start watching just like normal. And that's all there is to it. Don't forget to use the link in the description or pinned comment for that sweet IPVanish discount. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, drop them down below. Thanks for watching.